everyone and welcome to Artlife.
Hi.
Meow, 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 We are cool cats.
We are cool cats.
Welcome to Sadie and Delilah TV. That looks like this. Today we're going to make an artwork using paper. We're going to cut out shapes to make a picture and stick them together to make a picture like this. It's a cat.
Did you do it too?
Yeah.
What'd you make? What is it?
Meow.
A meow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sadie.
Hi, I'm Lila.
Today we're making a cat with paper.
Where's Lila's paper?
Yeah. So the things you need today is one piece of coloured paper and a black pen and a black pencil, glue and scissors, and 2 bowls. First we start with the body and head. If you don't know how to do it, you can use 2 bowls to trace around. Everyone say body. We're going to make the body first. Let's trace around like this. See? I'm doing the head. Everyone say head.
Ta-da. Ta-da.
We don't need the bowls anymore. Cut them out with your scissors. Be very careful. And now the head. My sister Delilah's helping me today. Look, I cut the 2 circles out.
I can't do it, Mum.
Mum's going to help cut Delilah's circles because she's only 2. I'm 5, so I can do it. Now we're going to glue our circles down. The little circle is the head, the big circle is the body. Glue so you can't see the ugly side. This way is the ugly side because it has texture on it. See? Lila's gluing hers down too. Now going to do the ears. I'm cutting the ears. Only cut the edges for the ears. Triangle. Now I'm going to glue it down.
Where do they go?
On top of the cat's ear.
Sadie, I want blue, Sadie. I want
Blue. Another glue.
Ta-da!
Now I need the texture and do eyes. Circles.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! And then I do an upside down triangle. And then 2 U's from it.
I can't do nose, Mummy.
Try your best.
Now do a tail.
And then Mom?
Yeah. Stop for a second.
Do a line
For the tail.
for the tail.
Ta-da! 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 I all done now.
Turn it around and use glue to stick the tail on. Stick. Yeah. Look.
Yep.
Look, now I'm doing the whiskers. Now I'm going to do the whiskers. Cut 6 lines.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5,
No, you're not done.
6. Now I'm going to stick it on with glue. And now stick them on the side. 3 on each side.
Then Mom?
And
Yeah.
glue. Oh, Baba, can I please have it?
Oh.
Glue it and then stick it on.
I all done. I all done. Please, Mom.
It's all done. Want me to show you my other cats? This is my other cat. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. I'm a cat. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that.
All done.
All done.
All done now.
All done now. All done now. All.
Hey.
Cool man.
Cool man.
Hey Lila, are you cool?
Yeah, cool.
Look at that.